Question, I guess.
That is a yard of beef, huh?
Hey, Taylor, want to open this? Taylor. From Grandma.
From who?
Santa.
From Santa.
Yeah, but no.
Beat a man to death and eat the evidence.
You're so funny.
Gift stocking treat, Santa Robin.
It's nice that those are enumerated for you, just in case you're not sure.
Right, you should be present. Angel.
Good to know.
And cream cheese.
We will have to eat that.
Yeah, what is a holly?
You're opening it?
What is it, Taylor?
What is it? Is it for you? Is it your present? Rip it open, get in there. See what it is, see what it is. Rip it off, rip it off, rip it off, rip it off, rip it off.
What's holly?
Holly?
Yeah.
It's the green and red stuff.
What's the plant?
It's like a little
Green leaves and then red berries or something. It's called holly.
Never heard of this one.
On the book, with a little pull list.
What is it? What is it?
Some kind of religious thing.
Show mommy and daddy what it is.
What is it?
Fair enough, I'll take your word up on it until I look it up for
Did she say a laptop?
Come here, let me
Can we see it, Taylor? Can you bring it over here? What is it? Digital MP3 boombox, not a laptop.
Credit card.
Look.
And it punches out your own.